Alright guys, so those of you who follow my channel remember this plane that I was building a while back. It was going to be my first RC plane that hopefully would fly. Turns out there's a lot of problems with this, including the simple fact that this is way too heavy for the motors and all the other stuff that I had planned to use with it to take this off the ground. But uh, what really stopped me from finishing this project was the fact that my printer broke, and so I was waiting endlessly to receive the replacement parts because I bought it from China. Yes, I bought the replacement parts from China, and then of course it takes forever to get anything from over there, and that was a big mistake. But I didn't really have an alternative because, well, I didn't know if there's any other companies in the US that actually would sell me a dual cooling system for my printer. And so, yeah, well, you do what you can. But anyway, my printer is now finally back in business, and I'm going to try to print the second wing for this, at least to have a little maquette or a little model that's complete here, and so I can finally finish it off, and at least, even if it ends up being a little shelf queen, at least I'll have this cool little jet that I designed as a finished product. Anyway, here is the infamous printer, and with its new system all done, and now I have a cooling fan there, as it was intended to be. And the only other printer that comes pretty much stock with this system is the TiVo Michelangelo that I used to have. But the problem with that one was that it didn't have a big enough build plate to build most of the things that I'm trying to build right now, so I gave it to a good friend of mine. Hopefully he's doing some great things with it and hasn't just left it there to rot. But anyway, that was my update for this morning. Hopefully we'll be able to get a decent wing out of this mess. Hopefully we'll get a nice wing like this one to print out. And hopefully we won't get one of these messes here, which is what I got when I woke up this morning when I was building the nice shell, super shell, Toyota super shell, that did not work out. And I'm kind of bummed out because I got a lot of things right with this model, and I eyeballed it. I just eyeballed it. I didn't actually go and check the dimensions or anything, but you see here it was almost perfect for this tire, or for this wheel here. Anyway, that's the update for today. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.